When the fullness of time came, God sent His Son, born of a woman, born under the law, so that He might redeem those under the law, that we might receive adoption as God's children. Galatians chapter 4, verses 4 to 5. Christmas 2024 is an invitation for us Divinians to live life to the fullest from John chapter 10, verse 10, with the theme, Pagsasabuhay, quote-unquote. It is a celebration of the incarnation of the Son of God, Jesus, the Divine Word. When He incarnated in the womb of the Blessed Mother in that fullness of time, God's promise of salvation was fulfilled. And as we celebrate the Yuletide season 2024, let me invite you to celebrate God's goodness to all of us. First, quote-unquote, everything is grace. We do not deserve God's goodness because of our weaknesses, but His unconditional love abounds, a love that breaks away all barriers, just to let us feel His love. Second, Christmas is a celebration of God's humility. Quote-unquote, though He was in the form of God, He did not regard equality with God something to be grasped at, from Philippians chapter 2, verse 6. A humanity that was scarred by sin, and yet by becoming man, God's grace cleansed us, and that His incarnation gave new meaning to human beings. He lifts us up with the dignity as God's children. Third, as we celebrate Christmas, let us not forget the very reason why God incarnated, that He shared His grace as the Son of God, especially to the least, the last, and the lost of society. The true spirit of Christmas, then, is giving. God started it all by sharing His divinity to us. Thus, as beneficiaries of God's goodness, we ought to let Jesus be incarnated in our daily lives. That is by giving and forgiving. Jesus, the Emmanuel, became truly alive in us, and that we live life to the fullest. On behalf of the Divine Word College of Calapan community, I greet you all a Merry Christmas and a Blessed New Year 2025.